Precision is not about speed. It is about control. At Wood One Integra Indonesia, machining is a controlled engineering step, where dimensions, alignment, and tolerances are carefully managed. Accurate machining ensures that every door meets its dimensional requirements, allowing components to fit precisely and function as intended. By controlling the machining process, we ensure consistency, not just in one door but across every production batch. This is how precision is built into manufacturing.